Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my November paper pumpkin kit by Stampin' Up. If you're not familiar with paper pumpkin kits, everything in this box is all you need to create the projects. You have directions on how to create the projects. So I just got this in the mail and I'm going to open it up and show you what's in this. So why I'm so excited about this particular paper pumpkin kit is because the theme is gingerbread. And every year we have a tradition of making gingerbread, putting gingerbread houses together. You know, the pre-made gingerbread cookies that they sell in the stores. My kids and I, as well as my nephews, we just put the kits together and that is so much fun. So if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So let's go ahead and open this kit up and see what's inside. So these are subscription kits that you could cancel at any time. These kits are especially great for beginners. So right here we have our photo palmer stamps. So they include your stamps. So that's nice. We got a little gingerbread house. We have some little floral images. It looks like it outlines a gate and some more floral images. You have your little sentiments. It says happy holidays, more merry, to and from, love, enjoy. And then they include a little ink pad. This is in a pink and this is called Blushing Bride. And instead of, it says bake the most of your kit instead of make the most of your kit. That is so cute. All right. So it says on here, if you've enjoyed celebrating the season with the gingerbread theme kit, you can bake up even more paper projects by combining the contents of this kit with our coordinating cardstock. From festive treat packaging to Christmas card, use our high quality cardstock to enhance your heartfelt holiday gifts. Alrighty. So if you want more information on that, you drop me a note. And let's see what else is in here. So they have these nicely packaged. They have a piece of cardboard here to keep your project intact. So let's open this up. Oh, look at those peppermint. Don't those look real? Let's see what's in here. So you get 2 of those. So you get some glue dots. You have some dimensionals. They give you 2 full dimensionals. And you have like some double-sided tape. So you get these little envelopes. I guess you could make gift cards. So you get envelopes. We'll get to the directions there. These are gorgeous envelopes. It's a lot of envelopes. And you get the little gingerbread pieces. Those are nice, like gingerbread houses to put together. And you have different color doors. You have a dark green there. And then you have a lighter green. Let's see. And then we have some yellow. Okay. And then we have these die cuts here. So different shapes here. You have a star there. That looks like a gumdrop shape. You have a heart right there. And these are different little die cuts. These are plain. Like it's a shape of a house. That seems like it'll be the backside of the house because there's no design on this. And then these here are the front side of the house. Then you have little different color tags. And then the directions to put our kit together, typically to the back of this card board. Okay, so it says it contains supplies to create 15 cards and 15 envelopes. And that gives you an idea of how they look. They give you instructions on how to put these designs together. And of course, you could make your own designs. You even have a little ruler down here to give you some measurements. And then they give you some alternate designs here. And they give you a list of what's included in the kit. They give you the colors that's included with the kit: Blush and Bright, Calypso Coral, Cinnamon Cider, Daffodil Delight, which is a yellow, Mint Macaron is that lighter green, Shaded Spruce is a darker green, and white. So if you're not familiar with the names that Stampin' Up! Provide, that's the color. And the Calypso Coral, I find that it's more of this reddish color right here, reddish orange look. So they also give you a website, pumpkinhowto.com, and you could see how to put your kits together. So that's a great resource. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Don't forget, if you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to leave the link if you're interested in getting a subscription down below. You guys get out there and be creative. Thank you guys for tuning in to my creative corner. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.